Good evening. Today we are presenting about web design problem-based assignment. So I am going to explain about the situation of PBA. The Polytechnic Student Service Portal has received complaints from users. The system is not mobile responsive, so the student frequently submit incomplete forms. So furthermore, there is no confirmation before submission. For the interface lacks guidance and clarity. The system performs poorly on mobile devices. So this is the situation of the PBA. So, moreover, the management has requested the IT department to redesign the system into a responsive mobile web application using Bootstrap 5 and JavaScript for enduring. First of all, mobile first responsive design, and then interactive user guidance, proper client side validation, ethical and user centered development practice, uh, efficient hosting strategy. So, and then you are appointed as the web developer to analyze the problem, propose improvements, uh, and develop a prototype and professional decisions. So that's all.
Good day, everyone. Okay, today I will explain about Section B. In Section B, the proposed system includes several key features to improve user experience. These include a responsive layout that adapts to all screen sizes, form validation to prevent incomplete submissions, and confirmation model to avoid accidental action. The system also uses tooltips and popovers to guide users along with a clean navigation bar and fast loading performance. Bootstrap 5.5 is chosen because it has built-in responsive read system and follows a mobile-first approach. It also provides ready-made components such as navbar model and buttons which help save development time and make the design more consistent. Client-side validation is important because it prevents invalid data, gives instant feedback to users, reduces server workload, and improves data accuracy. Next, interactive components like model, tooltip, popover, and carousel play an important role in improving usability and user engagement by making the interface clearer and more user-friendly. Additionally, a mobile web is different from mobile web application. A mobile web is a mostly static while a mobile web application is interactive and dynamic. Our system is a mobile web application because it uses JavaScript for user interaction. In Section C, JavaScript is used to implement interactivity. Variables and data types are used to store user information, while if-else statements are used for validation. A for loop is used to display items dynamically. Functions such as validate login and display items help organize and reuse code, while event handling allow the system to respond when user click buttons. In conclusion, this implementation makes the system more interactive, efficient, and user-friendly.
Good day. I will now explain Section D, which is in Section D, the system is developed by responsive mobile web applications using Bootstrap 5. Bootstrap CDN is used to quickly apply styling and components. The responsive layout is the responsive layout is created using the Bootstrap grid system, whereas the contents adjust based on screen size, displaying side by side on large screens and staking on smaller devices. Interactive components such as navbar, modal, tooltip, popover, and carousel are included to improve user experience. Client-side validation ensures that users enter correct information before submitting forms. In addition, phone integration features allow users to directly call or email through the devices. Now I'll explain Section E. In Section E, the system integrates responsiveness validations and interactive to create an effective solution. Responsiveness ensures the system works smoothly on all devices, while validation improves data accuracy by preventing errors. Interactivity enhances user engagement through dynamic features. Overall, the redesigned system improves usability, reliability, and user experience compared to the original port. That's all from me for now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ponmaran. So today I explain section F. In section F, our focus in professionalism and creativity in web development. First, we ensure clear and structured documentation with proper headings and explanation so the report is easy to follow. Second, our code is clean and well indented, using meaningful names and comments to make it readable and maintainable. Third, we apply a logical file structure, separating CSS and JavaScript into the own folders for better organization. Fourth, the UI design is creative yet professional. Modern bootstrap component, consist colors, and clean layout that balance usability with visual appeal. Finally, we maintain a consistent layout and visual balance across all pages, ensuring alignment, spacing, and a smooth user experience. Altogether, Section F highlights how technical clarity and creative design combine to deliver a professional, user friendly system. Thank you.